Okay, let's do a question 10, but only because, like I say, it just has a different shape, but we have done something very similar. So I'll just power through it. And it's also not a bad one because I like the fact that this is 10,000. It's easy to calculate. So this is your fixed budget. This is a flexible budget. And what do we have? It tells us clearly that the rates are staying the same per mile. And drivers are paid entirely based on miles driven. So it's very variable. It's all variable over here. And literally it's the same thing. I mean, look at this. This is telling me that for 10,000 miles you do 100,000. So you can just see that's £10 a mile of revenue, isn't it? That's 100,000 divided by the 10,000. So that's £10, isn't it? So you just take that 10 and multiply that, and you have 120,000. And I could do the same thing here, 140,000. Pretty straight. This is £8,000 of fuel for 10,000 miles. So that's 8,000 divided by 10,000. That's 0.8, which is why I was saying that's quite nice. So 0.8 in effect is what the cost is per mile for fuel. So 0.8 times 12,000, 0.8, 8 times 12 is 96. So that's 9,600. 0.8, I'm not going to be bold enough to do that. 0.8 times 14,000, that's 11,200. This is £5,000 in terms of wages for 10,000. So that's 50p per mile. So 50p, 50 times 12 is 6,000. 50 times 14 is 7,000. And then this is 6,000 divided by 10,000. So that's 0.6, isn't it? 0.6 times 12,000 is 7,200. 0.6 times 14,000 is 8,400. And we don't have any change to those fixed costs. We don't have any change to those fixed costs, and we can find the total. So let's bang that out very quickly. 12,000 plus 9,600 plus 6,000 plus 7,200 plus 10,600 plus 25,850 is 71,250. And then we do the same thing here. 11,200 plus 7,000 plus 8,400 plus 10,600 plus 25,850. That's 6. Oops, let me check that out again. 11,200 plus 7,000 plus 8,400 plus 10,600 plus 25,850 is 63,050. So let me look at this. I think I made an error here. Let me just, whoops, sorry. Let me just check out what happened here. This was 9,600 plus 6,000 plus 7,200 plus 10,600 plus 25,850. So this was 59,250. And so I can just calculate my profit now by subtracting, of course, this from this. So 59,250 from 120,000 is 60,750. 63 and 50 from the 140,000 is 76,950. And I can find the profit if you per mile by just dividing this divide your right, because what they did was they divided this by the 10,000, yes, and so you just do the same thing here. 60,750 divided by the 12,000 miles takes you to £5 and 65063. They want you to round that up to 3 decimals and do the same thing here. 76,950 divided by the 14,000. That takes you to £5 and 50, because that's 5.496. Sorry, 5.496. 3 decimals, 5.496. Super. And that's that question. That's question 10. Super.